everybody, happy 2021. Happy we got 2020 over with. However, we'll see how this year goes. Trying to stay optimistic. I am excited because I got another glitter chimp delivery. They were having a sale and I could not resist. Went a little crazy on this one, but wanted to show you guys. Thought you would appreciate my little glitter haul here. So let's show you what we got. So we'll start with Snake in the Grass. This is an ultrafine color shifting glitter. I do have the flash on so you guys can see just how beautifully sparkly all of theirs glitter is. So we have Drop It Like It's Hot. This is a matte ultrafine glitter. Even though it's matte, it's gorgeous. I have not tried it on anything yet, and looking forward to seeing how we do with that one. I have been doing some tumblers and I'm hooked. I enjoy it. So hopefully we'll get some good ones out there and get my Etsy shop going. Next we have one of their mixology glitters. Just love the name of this one. Tears of My Enemies. Super shiny, super pretty. I was thinking this one might be good on, I don't know, well, anything. I was looking for beach tumbler. It's a little different than I would do for that, but it is very, very pretty. This was one of my favorites, Over the Rainbow, and it's like you would think. It is a ultra fine glitter, real sparkly, lots of rainbow colors in there. That's real pretty. I'll show you in a minute kind of what it looks like on the lid of a jar I did just to see what it looks like. Then next we have Night Fury. This is also a mixology glitter. Look at the holographic on that. It's beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Space Mouse without the mouse. And then we have Fire Coral. This is a mixology glitter as well. I can't wait to see how these look on different things. We have Papaya. This one is a matte ultrafine glitter as well. Still has great sparkle. It's real pretty. Then we have Jinx. This one is a color shifting mixology. I think you can see a little bit on there how the color is shifting from that teal to purplish pink. Super pretty. I think I tried this one on the lid next to the rainbow. We'll show you guys that in just a minute. This one is Unicorn Poop, another mixology glitter. This one is pretty similar to Tears of My Enemies. It's just a little more pink. Real pretty. I keep thinking of summer tumblers we could be doing here. So this one is Hollow Back Girl. It is a holographic coarse glitter. I don't have any real holographic coarse glitters, so I thought this one would be real pretty, and it does not disappoint. Then we have Sweet Pea. I do call my daughter Pee-wee or Sweet Pea when she was little, so I couldn't resist. Plus, it's a really pretty color. This one is a Color Shift Ultra Fine. Real pretty. I haven't been disappointed with anything I've gotten from them, and they're quick. I get it in 1 to 2 days. I can't beat any of that. So this is Aurora, another mixology. Ooh. That is Shimma Shimma. Alright, I had to get another yellow. I like the yellow better than I thought I would. Yellow isn't my favorite, but I've been really impressed with the cup I did for my niece. So I had to get another glitter, just a straight up yellow. This one is a Rainbow Ultrafine. Oh yeah, this one is Man of War. This one is also a Color Shift Chunky Glitter. And it looks like the camera is picking up the color shift, which is great. You can see that it's so sparkly, the camera's having trouble getting a good shot of that one. Then we have Medusa. This one is a Color Shift Ultrafine. I'm like a little kid. I love anything super sparkly and color shift. Then we have Bewitched, a mixology. And look at that. Can't resist. Then we have Vicious, a color shift ultra fine glitter. And then I like this. It's red, but it's not your usual red. It's kind of a holographic, bright red, which I really like. It's the ultra fine, also holographic brick house. And here we have holographic ultra fine. This one is Cactus Blossom. Real pretty colors. Like I said, reminding me of spring and summer already, even though I'm a little early on that. I figure this order would be my birthday present to myself. This one is Robin Egg. It's in one of their mixologies. I just really liked it. The color combination, and it's not holographic or anything, but it's real pretty. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. And if I can get it to lay down flat, that's, I'm a newbie. That's the kind of thing I'm still working on. One more in here. Cursed. It is a color shift ultra fine. Alright, the last two are Hot Flash, which is a super holographic ultra fine glitter. These are supposed to be really good for the tack it method. You can kind of see that it shimmers so much the camera has trouble picking up on it. I'll try to get a picture of it without the flash for you guys in a minute, just to kind of see a little bit better what it looks like maybe. And then the other one is also an ultra, or a super holographic ultra fine, Hollywood Boulevard. Also really good for the tack it method. Gorgeous. You see the rainbows in that. I'll try it without the flash again on that one. And I thought I'd show you guys, I did do the tack it method on this one a little bit, but there's the two colors I was telling you about, over the rainbow, and I can't remember the name of the other one, but it's real pretty. Came out real pretty. Just a little tester. But then I did the tack it method for the Hot Flash and Hollywood Boulevard. Hot Flash on the top, Hollywood Boulevard on the bottom, and it is just gorgeous. Let me see if I can get the flash off and get you guys another look here. So that's without the flash. You can see just how absolutely gorgeous it is even without the flash. And here's those two colors without the flash. You can see them a little bit better. So super big order, probably overdid it, but they were having a sale and it's my birthday month, and I figured why not. Like I said, I'm going to start trying to sell the tumblers. Maybe I'll do a video when I get my area set up. Right now I'm kind of working out of wherever I can find space, but we're working on setting up a actual work area for me. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Please feel free to like, share, comment, or all of the above. Please subscribe if you'd like. Anything like that would help me out a whole lot. And I hope everybody stays happy, safe, and healthy out there. Happy 2021, and I will see you guys soon.